Welcome to A-Level Computer Science. My name is Mr. Morris and I am the lead teacher of Computer Science here at Ash Green School. At Ash Green School we offer OCR A-Level Computer Science because it offers learners to be inspired, motivated and challenged by a broad, coherent, practical and satisfying course of study. It provides an insight into the experience of how computer science works, stimulating learners' curiosity and encouraging them to engage with computer science in their everyday lives, and as well as making informed choices about further study or career choices. We chose this specification because it offers an emphasis on problem solving using computers, an emphasis on computer programming and algorithms, as well as an emphasis on mathematical skills used to express computational laws and processes such as Boolean algebra. There's also less emphasis on ICT. Units of study in OCR Computer Science are quite similar to the GCSE. Section 1 will cover the characteristics of contemporary processors, input, output and storage devices. 1.2 will cover software and software development. Moving on to exchanging data. 1.4 data types, data structures and algorithms is the only difference from the GCSE. A lot more paper 2 original content really comes into paper 1. We look more in depth and detail at how data structures are constructed in an algorithmic sense, and there will be some algorithm problem solving within paper 1 or component 1 itself. We'll then look again and into more detail at legal, moral, cultural and ethical issues before moving on to component 2, which covers all aspects of computational thinking, problem solving and programming, and algorithms. Section 3 itself is a coursework element of the project. You essentially will create your own coursework from scratch. We'll go into a little bit more detail on the next slide. But you will analyse the problem, design the solution, and develop the solution before evaluating. A-Level Computer Science is split into 3 components, much like the GCSE. It comprises of 2 exams, Computer Systems and Algorithms and Programming. Both are 2 hours and 30 minutes long and will consist of 140 marks. Both are equal to 40% of your total grade. So everything we covered on the previous slide, 1.1 to 1.5 and 2.1 through to 2.3, they are the specific topics that are covered on both papers. The biggest difference between the GCSE and the A-Level is that there is an awful lot of crossover in both exams. So it may be that you see the odd paper 1 topic show up on paper 2 and vice versa. Again, as explained, the programming project is completely your own creation. It allows you to be quite creative in terms of the programming that you do. Historically, we've seen a lot of game design. But we've also seen some more basic database programs. They do not restrict your grade at all, going on a bit more of a basic route, but it does allow you really to go into as much kind of detail with programming, as much depth with programming, right up to a degree level. So it's very, very open in terms of what you can and cannot do. You essentially create your own problem, and you essentially then design a solution and develop the solution for that problem. It's a really, really exciting project. As you can see from the list on the slide, there is a huge array of jobs available in terms of career progression from having a qualification in computer science. It is clearly one of the fastest growing sectors in terms of the world's employment. Technology is becoming such a crucial part of our daily lives, and really if you think realistically about the future, that is only going to get bigger and bigger exponentially year on year. In terms of salaries, they are very, very well paid. A degree level qualification, so a grad scheme type job, in something like networks or software engineering or even cybersecurity can be paid from a minimum of at least £40,000 beginning. So that's an incredible salary really, moving on from a degree. So very exciting opportunities available after completing computer science qualifications, and a huge kind of array of jobs available as well, right from games development through to web development, mobile app development, network managers, database administrators, and even a computer science professor if you so wish.